everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the 0X80070424 error or the Windows Update not working error in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will be opening first the run window. We can do that simply by making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on this run button here. All you need to do is just to type services.msc, and then we will be going now to the services window. So all we need to do is just to look for some services here, and then we will set the startup type to automatic, and then we will need to set the status running. So first service is the background intelligent transfer service. So let me just quickly expand this one. Okay, so here in the background intelligence transfer service, all we need to do is just to make a right click on that, click on the properties, and then please make sure that the startup type is set to automatic. If it's not set to automatic, then please select this drop down button here and then click on the automatic option. Once you're done doing that, please select the start button here, and then it will start running the service, and then just wait for this one to be done. And then once done, just please click on apply and then click on OK. Once you're done with this one, we will proceed with the, by the way, there is another thing that we need to change here in the background intelligence transfer service. Again, please make a right click, click on properties, and we need to go with the log on tab. And please make sure that the local system account is selected. And then once you have already checked this one, then just close this window, and then we will proceed with the DCOM. So please, with this service being selected, please go to your keyboard and then type D, and then we will be brought to the D section. So here we are now in the D section. Let us click on this DCOM server process launcher. Now once done, once you have already selected, please make a right click, click on properties. Please set the startup to automatic. And since it is already grayed out and set automatic, then we can no longer change that. And since the service status is states running, then we can now leave this be, and then just click on OK. And then once you're done with this one, we will now proceed with the remote procedure call. So with this service being selected, please go to your keyboard and then type R, and then we will be brought to this R section here. All you need to do is just to go with this remote procedure call RPC. Once you have found it, please make a right click, click on properties, and since the startup type is by default set to automatic, then we can no longer change this one, and then let's just leave this be since the service status is already set to running. Now once you're done checking this one, just click on OK, and we will proceed with this remote procedure call locator. Please make a right click on that, click on the properties button here, and then again we need to set the startup type to automatic. So please make a please make a tap or click on the drop down button here, and then select the automatic option, select the start button, and then once you have already done that, please click on apply, click on OK. And we will proceed with the next, which is the Windows Defender Firewall. So with this service being selected, please type in your keyboard W, and then we will be brought to the W section. So we will be going or looking for the Windows Defender Firewall, this one. So please make a right click on that, click on properties, and then since the startup type is also set to automatic by default, then we can no longer change this, and then we'll just leave this be since the service status is already running. Then just close this window, and then we will proceed with the Windows Update. So here in the W section, we will be looking for Windows Update, this one. Please make a right click, click on the properties button here, and set the startup type to automatic. And for the service status is stop, let's just start this one so that it will stay running. And then once done, please click on apply, click on OK. After doing this one, we will now go with troubleshooting process. So just close that window, and then here in the Windows search tab, we need to type troubleshoot. And here under best match, we need to click on this troubleshoot settings so that we will be seeing the other troubleshooters option, and then we will proceed with the Windows Update option. Here, click on run. Once you do that, it will start detecting and diagnosing the problem. and then it will automatically troubleshoot for you and fix the problem in no time. Once you're done with this one, just close this window, and then as well as this one, make a quick restart with the device and you're good to go. Okay, you will not be facing the same error again. And if this video has helped you, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.